is architect Shreya Rathore. Alcov Launchpad probably happened to me at a time where I was really struggling to find my own niche in the profession. I wanted to know what was good for me and where do I belong. So I am also an urban designer by profession. So I was doing everything: urban design, architecture, interior design, and I think Alcov Launchpad was my savior, where it really helped me in identifying where do I belong or what niche do I want to form of mine in this entire market. Like, where do I belong and what should I be doing probably. So that was the best thing I have received from Alcov Launchpad. It has well curated sessions. My weekends have been so productive because of this. Everything was so well organized, like their mailing system, their classes, and the professionals who were taking it, like they were really knowledgeable, really good people. Another best thing that happened with Alcov Launchpad was the kind of networking that we did. We formed our own groups, and I think now we have a group where we can really be discussing our queries and everything. The entire system was so quick, like in responding. Our assignments were so well checked, and a very personalized analysis was given to all. I think Sejal and Dhruv, like, this is really good work that you are trying to do, like spreading the niceness, spreading the knowledge that you know, and thanks for helping so many professionals grow in a way. I think wonderful job, guys, and thanks for giving me so much, that I have a lot to take ahead from, and I think it gives me a lot of confidence right now to be able to have my own stand, to start my own brand. I think there's a lot of things already done in the form of assignments, and I have very well given suggestions to my assignment, which I will probably incorporate, and I think it's the best kickstart I have got. Thank you Alcov Launchpad.